Is it a good idea to put artificial grass? Dear friends, artificial grass is quickly becoming everybody's ideal grass lawn, but why? If you've noticed an upsurge in popularity in this versatile outdoor surface, then we can tell you why. This video is all about why artificial grass is so popular and people use artificial grass to replace tired old lawns and soon find that both pets, children and adults adjust to it in next to no time. Artificial grass lawns have come a long way since the 60s. Artificial grass is popular for lots of different reasons, but the main one is that it is so versatile. No more is it the cheap plastic version that falls apart in a short period of time. Artificial grass has moved on a lot since then. It's far more sophisticated and far more authentic. It's likely that no one will notice you even have it. It's harder and harder to distinguish it from real grass, so you've got a lawn without all the hard work but with all the elegance of a plush green lawn all year round. What is the hard work though? Well, a natural lawn requires a lot of maintenance, as you probably already know. There's the cutting of the lawn using power or fuel, then there's the pesticides, herbicides and fungicides to keep it free from moss, pests and weeds that may harm the environment, and then there's the watering during the hot summer months. That's more towards the utility bills. If you suffer from hay fever, and that's not just you but the children and the pets, then you've got a problem on your hands, because after all that hard work keeping it neat and tidy, but you can't even spend any time in it. Fake grass install will change how you use your garden, in a good way. With artificial grass, all the family can enjoy it. You'll also be saving money because you won't need to mow your lawn, water it or use harmful chemicals. The only care and attention an artificial lawn requires is regular brushing and a quick clean with some soapy water, and that's it. There'll be no muddy footprints, no grass stains and no grass and mud being dragged into the kitchen and through to the rest of the house. Artificial grass lawn, for those beautiful days out in the garden, all year round. All your pets can use the grass for play, and if they use the toilet, then any solids can be removed quickly and disposed of hygienically, and any liquids are drained away safely through to the surface below. Any debris that blows in during autumn and winter can be simply picked up and placed in the bin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.